Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making macaroni salad. You will need 1 pound of macaroni, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of shredded carrots, 1 scallion, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and your macaroni. Allow your macaroni to cook for 7 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Place your pasta in a bowl, then add your carrots and scallion. Now add the chopped onions. Now season with your salt and pepper. This recipe was suggested by viewer 25 Black Butterfly. If you have a recipe you'd like to see me make, please put it in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this recipe a thumbs up. Now add your mayonnaise, then mix until well combined. This is an easy summer salad that goes great as a side dish. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab